All right, I have my chicken top ramen placed into our air fryer with our boiling water for this super easy one pan lunch. I have 4 of our top ramen chicken flavors, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start that at 400 degrees for about 5 to 8 minutes. All right, our noodles are ready. We are going to get ready to strain those. Be very gentle and careful because that is boiling water. I love top ramen lunch and dinner. This is gonna be a super easy little recipe that you can use throughout the week. Inexpensive and delicious. Okay, our noodles are cooked perfectly. We're gonna pop that back into our air fryer little basket here. And here comes the fun part. I'm coming in with some eggs. I have 1 egg per packet of top ramen for this super creamy and easy little addition. I love adding extra protein in my ramen. So eggs is always a way to go. And that'll kind of cook on its own once we pop it back in, just like so. All right, I'm going in with 1 stick of butter just to add an extra little creaminess to our ramen. And there's so many varieties of ramen you can do. This is just one of my favorites that I love making. I also am going in with just some minced garlic. I am a garlic girly, so we're going in with a ton of that garlic. All right, and then I did have the chicken flavor, so I have our chicken packets from the ramen. I'm just gonna go and open those. And this is a great addition of salt and umami, so do not skimp on those packets or don't skip on them. That's where we're gonna get majority of our flavor, and it's gonna add that great color we want. Salt, pepper, deliciousness. You could also do like a soy sauce or a teriyaki, but I feel like with the chicken packets, it adds just the flavor that we are looking for this super easy little recipe. All right, I'm gonna go in with my tongs, and we're gonna go ahead and start kind of getting all that mixed in. We wanna try and scramble those eggs, get that butter nice and melted, get that garlic all incorporated. Ooh, my mouth is absolutely watering. And the heat of those noodles in our pan should start to cook those eggs just like so. Oh, look at how creamy and yummy that's starting to look. And I went with the chicken flavor. I know that they have a beef flavor, they have a soy sauce flavor, so you can kind of play around with what options you have at your local grocery store. Oh my gosh. But this is like one of my favorite little comfort meals that I love making on the go, quick and easy. All right, now that all of our ingredients are nice and melded into our air fryer, I have some beautiful green onion. I love green onion on my ramen. It just adds an extra layer of freshness, a little bit of texture as well. And I mean, who doesn't love green onion on their ramen? Look at how delicious. You could also do like a chive, or you could totally just skip out on this part, but I think green onion is mandatory in ramen recipes. And I went in with about 3 sprigs of our green onion. And this is kind of a new one. I love everything but the bagel seasoning on top of my ramen as well. Those sesame seeds, that little hint of onion, the poppy seeds just is a great addition to any ramen, and don't let anybody tell you otherwise. All right, I have my great little ramen serving bowl, and I'm gonna go right on in. Oh my gosh, look at how amazing and creamy and delicious. Woo! All right, oh, that green onion, the seasoning. Oh, if you could smell this right now, it smells so good. And those eggs, ooh, all right. And I use 4 packets. I'm a 2-pack girly, so this is gonna be for me and someone else, but I mean, look at how delicious that is. Enjoy.